Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike and the webinar for today. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Mojo Room. Got it all minimized. Anybody want to put any questions in, you type them in right here in the chat area, right there. Mojo's ready to rock and roll. You want extra income, get some Mojo in your pocket? Hold on a second. I offer a variety of different webinars and things to do. But during this one today, we're going to be making some money, folks. So let me just take a look at my JDST. It's 219. And as I showed you before, I have a 216 cost on 32,000. That's when it was at 215. I'm going to sell 1,000 at 19. Watch how I sell. And this is money in the bank right here. So this right here is on the day. I'll show you right here. If you do this every single day, I'm up $3,584 unrealized on JDST on a block at 216 right there. So right now I'm going to sell 12,000 at 218. Watch. Done. See that 12,000 right there? That's me. Time and sale stamp. Done. I got 20,000 left. Okay. Now watch again. I'm nailing 5,000 at 218. Okay. Ready? Boom, 5,000 done. Now I got 15 left. I'm 1,000 at 219. Locking in. I'm gonna get over 4 G's on the day. That's what this webinar is all about. This could be full-time or part-time income, whatever you want it to be. It's starting out at part-time income. Hey, it turned into full-time income, whatever you want it to be. Okay, so let's just cancel that. We're sticking with 15. Just on JDST, my position right here, I've made 1,000 on that out of the 3 grand. We made it on UVXY, which I'm still in right now. UVXY right here is 15.26. I'm up over $1 in UV. I got it at $14.13 on UVXY right now. We're in down here. So does the rest of the Mojo Day Trade room. And right now the room has it. Yo, room, how is your UVXY pick? How's your UV doing? Let's take a look. So I'm in UVXY right here at $14.35. This is the Mojo Day Trade room. You're looking at my screen live. So as you are in the room here trading every day, making your full of part-time income, you get to watch over my shoulder as you were trading right next to me right here, as I'm pressing the keys, putting in the orders, telling you exactly how to buy and how to sell. Selling, buying in parts 1, 2, 3, and 4, selling in parts 1, 2, 3, and 4, and doing the same. So JDST right here, you could see sold half, part 4 left. It's at 14.59. Now it's at 15.24. Okay. So let's minimize this, just so I can mark it in the room for it's at 15.24 now. Now it's at 15.27 now. Still have part 4. JDST sold 19, 18. Just mark it so I can mark the records. I keep track of every single trade. That's what you have to do as a day trader. JDST is 221 right now, so we got 15,000 left. Let's just close out a little more of this trade right here. I'm up 1,000 unrealized, 682 unrealized, selling 221, and 2,000 at 220. Done. That's me. Selling another 1,000 at 220. I'm at 12, selling 2,000 at 220. I'm at 10, canceling the 221. They never took it. Selling 5,000 more at 20. Done. Mojo's holding up the moment. Let's just cancel it for a second. I'll sell 1,000 at 21. Let me go on ARCA. So right here, you could see this is the montage where you're going to get to have a platform exactly like this. And within this level 2, you have your order window, you have your position window, and what you do is you go and you do your sells and your buys right here. So I'm going to go and I'm going to sell on the ask. Out of this 10,000 left, I'm going to sell 5,000 of those shares. And I'm going to sell it at 220. I just click there. It puts the order right in here, and I click sell. It's already set on SMRT, which is the smart order route. It puts it on any one of the orders. And I'm going to sell 5,000 at 19. Done. Just as quick as that. Sold 19, got 5,000 left. I'm like a Ferrari. I'm a rocket ship. Canceling, selling 4,000 out of the 5 right here. Done. Sold, got 1,000 left like a rocket. I'm going to put 500 on the ask right here at 220. Sell. 221, 200. Sell. 222, 200. Sell. And then I'll have like 100. I'll have a 300 left. So let's move all this out of the way. I showed you how to trade real quick. Bink. And let's get back to the webinar. If you come to the MOJO Day Trade Room every single day for an hour in the morning, you can nail trades like that. I tell you exactly when to buy, how many shares off my order I'm doing, buying and selling. You can copy it to the T. Okay? I've been trading for 20 years. Okay? I've started trading. You can Google it. It's called SOES. Anybody know it? Anybody know what that is? I traded when there was quarters, eighths, halves, and 3/4. Anybody know what SOES is? SOES? Small order execution system. When the NASDAQ first started, anybody with less than 1,000 shares was able to get free ride before any institutional order at a preset price lower than the current price trading in the market. So all you had to do is buy 1,000 shares on SOES, go out and immediately put it on the ask because it was trading in eighths and quarters. So you can buy 1,000 shares at an eighth or 100,000 shares at an eighth, stick it out at a quarter and 3/16, and then the rest of the institutions come in and take you out. It's called the small order execution system. I started trading back then. Now you know what it is. Okay. I started the MOJO Day Trade Room 4 years ago. Since 4 years ago, I've increased my win streak, started at 80% for the first couple of months. Then I went to 90%, and I've been at 90 to 95% accuracy for over 3 years and 36 months. There's traders in our room that have been on a winning streak, almost ended that winning streak a couple of days ago.
No!
But we saved them.
Yeah.
That's right.
Well, yes.
And he scored from down 3,000 to up 1,500 on the day, kept the win streak live since November of 2016. I'm sorry, November of 2014. In November of 2016, it'll be 2 years win streak. So let's do the math. Let's do some math. There's 12 months a year, 20 days a month to trade. Everyone get out your calculators. 20 days times 12. There's 240 days a year to trade. How many days you're going to take off? 5. Vacation, 5 days. 10. You want to take 10 days off? Let's take 10 days off. Trade 230 days a year times 2 years. Okay, so that's 12 months, 20 days, 240 days to trade. You're trading 230 days, times it by 2. You're trading 460 days. Let's stop right here at 460. Okay? 2 years. If you can commit 2 years of diligence, being humble, knowing that you're a businessman and a trader, and not a trader, this may work for you. Okay? I started the MOJO Room developed my swing trade newsletter, launched Mojo University. Proud to say I have personally taught over 150 pro traders to date. 80 of them are still in the room on any given day and basis. 70 of them have canceled. Out of the 70, 30 of them canceled due to personal situations. The other people just didn't follow the rules and they messed up. No one really ever canceled because the course didn't teach them what they wanted. Some people have the personality and the makeup and some don't. Alan, pro trader Alan, who's on the win streak, is able to leave every day. He's got a routine that he does in the afternoon. Like one of my pro traders, I said yesterday in my text, I text all my pro traders. Here's my text yesterday. I'll show it to you. I won't show you who it is, but he says he's got 30,000 coming in the next 2 weeks. Right here, 30,000. He's got 30,000 coming in the next 2 weeks. I said I'd love it tight. I said you'll make 500 a day with your eyes closed, right there. Second month you'll make 1,000 a day. 1,000 a day. I feel the same way. I've learned a tremendous amount from you. I see things with my eyes wide open now. With 120K, I'm going to kick ass, take names, but remain humble. I said, what are you going to do in the afternoons? That's the most important of this whole plan. The trader would be there all day, doesn't miss a thing. I texted that yesterday to one of my pros. You come trade with me. We have a relationship. I'll make sure that you win because your success is my success. You know why? Because I need your $99 a month so bad. Let me see what my JDST is at. Hold on a second. 222. I got a 100 shares left. That's how you trade. 100 shares left, selling at 221 flat. Made $4,323 on the day. That's not too shabby. And you guys saw it live right there. The difference of what I did on that one trade, you would have made tremendous. You like that, Finda? You like that, huh? Everyone has seen me trade live real money. Showing you exact buy and sell points. Exactly how to buy them, how to sell them. So you really cannot lose. That's why Mojo wins at 95% for years. I've just shown you all that. It's multiple choice. I'm going to share the results, and it's anonymous. So you can put whatever answer you want. Yes? No. Look at all the people down here that I have no idea who they are. All the people in blue are here for the webinar. Go ahead. You just saw me trade live, real, showing you exactly the buy and sell points. You could put whatever you want. It's anonymous. No one knows who it is or what you put. Wow, look at that. 100%. I'm showing you exactly how to make full and part-time income. One person said, no problem. Oh, they changed it back. Maybe they made a mistake. 13 people. Wonderful. Thank you very much for taking the poll. 14 people. Thank you so much. So, Mojo's real deal. Let me show you what else I got going on. I have text conversations going on with half a dozen of my traders. UV's 80. I'm not selling any of UVXY. I have it in, I'm doing covered calls on my other account with it. All right. So UV's a beast and a monster. So I showed you exactly how to work the platform. This is Mojo's pick. It's a beat. That was down 224. I love it. Gee, I can't believe it. What a pick. I'm astonished. We would have said wow 11 times. I missed the wow trade play 11 times on UVXY. I'm astonished. I'll do it right now. Okay. Click and buy. Click, buy, sell. I bought it at 91. I just clicked it. Get ready. Sell now. 1603 sold. Sell now. More. 1604 sold. More. Sold 6. 200 left. Hold on. Stop at 16. Flat. Sick. Yeah, baby, pop. That's the way we rock, baby. Pop through Hines. That's Hines. You see Hines, baby, pop? That's Hines. It's called the Hines trade play. It went right through 16 like a champion. It went. Then we went. Ching. Ching. And you all went,
hey, good job.
That's what I'm talking about. So look, guys, that's how we make money. Quick. The best trades are the quickest trades. The best trades are the quickest trades. Okay? So let's continue back. Whoo! Wow. A lot of excitement happening. Whew. Whew. See, everyone teaches what a webinar, right? I made you more money in the webinar. You can go listen. You can buy me some Titleist Pro V1 golf balls. That's my gift. Titleist Pro V1. Oh, I got a message from somebody. Hey, anything you guys want to type in there, no problem. You can't start with $1,000 account. 2,000 minimum. 2,000. 2,000. I got to write in here UVXY Hines. 1603 to 06 sold. Bought at 91. 97. Average was 94. Easy Hines. Thank you. So, guys, that's all about me. I have a lot of YouTube views, and I got a lot of social media followers. Okay, let me show you how to start your business. You're going to come and join the MOJO Day Trade room. It's going to cost you $49 to try it. Every month after that, it's $99 a month. I'm raising the rates to $150. So this is the last time that this will be offered at this rate. And you can have it. It's no big deal for me. I make $3,000 a day. I'm fine with that. Okay? It's not about the 99. It's about me helping you and you giving me $99 for your entire life. That's what I'm morally interested in. Okay? So let me show you how to build your business. Everyone get a piece of pen and a piece of paper. If you have a $2,000 account, your goal is 5 to 10% a day. Okay? If you have a $50,000 account, your goal is 1 to 5% a day. You do the math. Okay? Day one, small account with $2,000 to $5,000. You're going to trade with the Pioneer Group. You're going to get 6-to-1 leverage, and you're going to get 30 grand in buying power. You're going to make $100 a day. 100 a day from day 1 to day 20. Okay? Right here. It's 30 days. 30 trading right here. You have 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Day 11, you go 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. You get $3,000 right there in profits in your first 20 days. Go 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. If you make over that, wonderful. 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. In 20 days, you got 3 Gs. You only started with 2 Gs. So you either made 100%, 110. You started with 3 Gs. You made 100%. You started with 5 Gs. You made 80%. Does everyone follow? Does everyone follow? No private messages. I don't need them. My shares disappeared from what? I have no idea what you're talking about. Math doesn't add up. Let me show you. 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. That's 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 200, 400, 600, 800, 2,000. 200, 400, 600, 800, $3,000. What doesn't add up? Rex. Rex is a fool. You got it, Rex? Come on now. You there with me? Come on. 3,000, brother. $3,000. $3,000. We only been doing it for 20 days. Oh my gosh. You mean to tell me, Rex, if you had a 3 grand account and in 10 days you grew the 3 grand to 4 or the 5 grand to 6, you wouldn't go for $200 a day in profits instead of 100? Isn't that correct? 200 a day from 100? Doesn't that math make sense? Of course. So if you add up the days and you start out on your first day and you knock off 100, you're at $5,100. 52, 53, 54, 55. All of a sudden, you're like, dude, after 10 days, I'm not going for 100. My goal is 200 a day. You're at $3,000 after your first 20 days. Everybody with me? Rex, let me show you the transition point. Watch. Banned from the room. Boom. That's the transition point. You see? Did everyone see the transition point right there? You see that? Did you see that transition point? He like disappeared. Everyone see that? Nice. Cool. Let's continue. So you knock out the first 20 days of your plan and you're at 3 grand. Now let's go into day 21. Continue at $200. And then on day 31, kick your goal up to 300 a day. And then you make $5,000. So you made 3 grand and you made 5 grand. You've made $8,000 in 40 days of trading. Is everybody with me? Follow? If you don't participate, I'm getting rid of you. Aaron, Adam, Andres, Arlington, all you people right here. If I don't get an answer from any of you, anybody who doesn't answer is gone. So let's just wait to see who doesn't answer. And then we'll start kicking people out of here. Let's play some music. If you ain't going to answer, you ain't going to be joining my room. That's for sure.
Johnny was a schoolboy when he heard his first Beatles song.
Good question. What about the PDT rule? Jason Butts? Jason Bond? Jason. All right, let's continue. So let's kick it up into day 41. You're going to make $300 a day. In day 50, you're going to make $400 a day as your goal. You made $7,000. Let's kick it into the next couple of days. Let's make it $500 a day. Every day for the month, you made 10 G's. This is a beautiful, beautiful month that everyone can repeat day after day. If you've gotten to this point, week after week, month after month, after 90 days, you make another 5 G's. 90 days goes by, boom. You're just made 3, 5, 7, and 15. You've made 30 grand. Okay. Mojo has a challenge. If you want to come in, you join the room, number 1. That's the first thing you do. Second thing you do is you could take the challenge. And I set you up on the simulator of the DOS. Let me look at the DOS. It's this platform. It's simulated. Same sort of thing. And you get to trade with paper money. Okay? And you get to trade. Take a 0 off of my number, and you made $432 following me for the day. You made $432 today. Congratulations. Okay. How do I determine which stocks to trade? Once you join the room, you'll get all that information. That's irrelevant. For me teaching you that now, it's irrelevant. Irrelevant. I have a crystal ball, and when I shake it, it tells me exactly what to do, how to do it, and I give that to all the traders once they join. You could set it for it has settings. It has settings for 5 picks, 15 picks, 25 picks, or 30 picks for the day, or you can get the upgrade and you can go unlimited. It comes with Mojo University. You think I'm lying? Pro traders, tell them if I'm lying or not. Pro traders, tell them. Do you have a crystal ball that I give you in Mojo University that you pay a lot of money for? Tell them. Unlimited picks. Tell them. Yep, it's true. I'm not lying. Picks for a lifetime, baby. It's true. It doesn't get more true. Look, I'm going to shake my crystal ball. It just told me to stay away from UVXY at 1560. How did I know? Why would I stay away from it from here? And why would I buy it on that freaking bar? Because the crystal ball told me. Isn't that what we did? We bought it on that crazy bar, made money, but right now I wouldn't buy it. That's the crystal ball. That's what you get when you join the room and then you take the class. So you could paper trade while you do that and prove for 30 days, if you don't want to risk your own money, that you can trade, because you have lack of knowledge that the firms trade against you in a huge conflict of interest. Did you know that? Did you guys know that? Who trades with Short Trader in here? Who uses Short Trader? No one? Good. Let me know if you use Short Trader or not. Lack of knowledge on how the market makers fake you out. Lack of knowledge on how to manage your buying power. Lack of knowledge on how to manage your share size. Lack of knowledge on scaling into the trade. Lack of knowledge of any trading system. Lack of knowledge on how to journal. Lack of knowledge on how to record. Lack of knowledge on how to handle a bad situation like happened on UVXY today at 1379 that I kept every single person in because why did I keep you in? Why did I keep you in, everybody? Why? Why did I keep you in? What was my answer? Why did I keep you in? No, it wasn't the magic ball at all. I didn't need the magic ball. Exactly. It was my journaling. I mean, the pro traders are on the money. Everybody else is so off the money. I'm taking all your money all day. Taking your money. Soon 24 signal, go for it, Igor. I'm done trading soon. Me and soon, the sun doesn't shine with Mojo and soon anymore. I made all my money. My last trade was the big block. I came out 160 positive on the other one, and I'm done. So move on. I do much better trading everything else. Yo, G. I don't want you in my room no more, bro. You're like a disruptive kid in the party, dude. So I'm banning you because I don't like you. So sign up for the demo and you end up the 8-ball. So he's just a putz. So he's done. It's such a shame, man. If you're under 30 years old, you'll do something like that because you're not risking anything. He doesn't have an account. He's got no life. He's got no job. He's in whatever, living in his parents' house. He's got a freaking stupid ass bad computer, and he comes in my room and he does the troll around. It's fine. That's what I try to get rid of because eventually I ban so many people. They can't come to the free passes. They can't come to my future webinars. And eventually, over time, the longer I'm on the net, the longer I weed out the riffraff. Nothing's moving. Let's go back to let me teach you some more. Okay? So your lack of knowledge and blowing up your account. If you answered yes to any of these questions, you should not learn on your money. The tuition costs of trading are brutal. Your first step is the MOJO Day Trading Challenge. You reach $100 a day, I'll watch you trade every day. Let's make sure you can hit 100 a day and 200 a day. Let's do it for 1,000 days in a row. Screw 1,000. Let's do it for 500. Screw 500. Let's do it for 300 days in a row. 1.5 years. 240 days, 230 days in a year. Do it for 1.5. Okay? Time's on your side. I'm going to be the lifeguard watching all your trades. Become the next pro trader. Don't blow up your real account. I give you $100 off the challenge. $200. The challenge is $300 to have the simulator loaded up with the buying power. I help you with your trading every single day. Okay? You'll come back here to this page on my website. I'll leave this page open. And you'll email me and I'll get you going with the MOJO Day Trading Challenge. It's right here at the top. So Day Trading Challenge, you click right here and it'll be available for you. This page will not be available after the webinar. Your day trading setup. I've got 3 monitors. I use this one for the room that I watch and talk in my internet surfing. I use this one for the day trading platform. And I use this one for another platform, my swing picks and the demo platforms that I monitor and I help everybody with. I watch on this platform. Okay? I have a desktop Dell. It's this computer, and anybody can afford it. I have this connected to the back of that, and this connected to the back of that. I've got this little one different. It's different. It connects to the back of that, and this connects to this one. Then this HDMI cable connects to the back of the computer as well, and it connects to here. So you can actually run 3 monitors. You get a sweet-ass keyboard and a sweet-ass mouse, and that's your trade station setup. Everyone follow? Anybody have any questions? Nice, Igor. See that, partner? Dude, we got the same clubs. We hit them the same. Now you just have to take Mojo University so I could train you, Igor. You're leaving so much on the table. You have no idea, really. I know. I don't want you to do that anymore. The signals you recognize are in the car with the rain going. You just need the windshield wipers to see a little bit better, buddy. Hall had that problem in the beginning. It's okay. So that's my setup. Here's how you trade. Bam. If you've got over $25,000, you get 4-to-1 buying power. It's 100 grand. I trade with interactive brokers. You go to Dosh Trader. You click right here for interactive brokers. You click, watch, click Dosh Trader. You go to dos.com. You click subscribe for interactive brokers. You click your 120 a month, your 150 a month right here. Either one of those are good, or your 175 package, and you're set with your DOS for the month. Okay? Done. Then you go right here to interactive brokers. They're the Shack Daddy. That's where you open up your account and you trade the DOS through interactive brokers. Okay? And they have the web trader. So you have the DOS and the mobile, desktop, and web version of interactive brokers, which is real nice as well. Okay? It's on a tiered basis, the shares. You pay 0.0035. Once you trade more than 300,000, you go to 0.2. So let's say you're at 0.3. 100 shares cost you 35 cents. 200, 70. 1,000 shares cost you 350. 2,000, $7. 10,000 cost you $35. Okay? And that's the scaling on a per share basis from 1 to 10,000 shares. Then, if you got less than 25K, you go with the Pioneer Group. Okay? They're on a per share of 0.55. So it costs you 55 cents, but you get the leverage of the 6-to-1. So it's a slightly higher fee, but you get the leverage of 6-to-1, and you do 100 to 1,000 shares. You're paying 55 cents. So if you do 100 on UVXY and you go 100, 100, 100, 300, 300, 700, 700, 1,000, 1,000, that costs you virtually nothing. You'll make $500. You'll sell it on the way out. You'll make $500 profit. It'll cost you $40. You walk away with $460. Trade's over. Is everyone happy with that? Would you all be happy with that? Happy with that trade? You all happy with that trade? Getting 500, paying $50, paying 50? Yeah, you do that all day? You do that? Where I play, first I stay at the Ritz or I stay at the Four Seasons, and I tip the valet guy, and I tip them guys. Oof. Got to give them tips. They take care of you. When you go to the casino and you sit at the table, at the Mojo table, here's what happens. The table's like this. The dealer sits here. You sit here. Everybody else sits around you. When the dealer deals out the 3 cards in the middle and you have your 2 cards here, you could see everyone else's hand. When it's time for the next card, the dealer shows you the card and you win $500. But before the hand's over, you get a massage. That costs 30 bucks. You have 2 drinks, 20. Yeah, you buy the other guy a drink, 10. You tip the dealer, 30. Cost you 50, cost you 80. You walk out of the casino with 420 bucks. You say, hey, I won 420. No, you didn't. You won 500. You got a massage, you ate lunch, you got 2 drinks, you bought your buddy a drink. Because the dealer showed you the cards for a win-win scenario. Watch UVXY go through 16 right now. Ping. So, guys, that's how you do it. Okay? That's how you do it. And that's trading with the Pioneer Group and Interactive Brokers. Okay, let's watch UV go through 16. Hold it. Hold it. Sold 1605. Hold it. I'm just going to go flat for the video. Hold it. Okay. So we did it again. I Heinz'd it again. I wouldn't do it at 70, I told you. But I would do it again when it was in the 90s. And that's exactly what I did again. Did you all see that? That's the patience of the mojo. Okay? Let me continue and show you the mistakes that everyone else makes trading. New traders make these mistakes. The first mistake, which was my biggest, so if it's my biggest mistake, it's your biggest mistake, is once you hit your goal, you don't stop. You keep on trading and you give back your profits 90% of the time. As in Mojo Wave Theory has journaled this hundreds of times. That is my number 1 mistake. My number 2 mistake that I always made and make is trading in the pre-market. I'm always thinking I'm going to miss something if I don't get it then, and it winds up ruining the opening trade and the rest of my day, where I wound up probably could have getting a better price when the stock opened than trading it pre-market. And then scaling in poor, thinking I was going to miss something if I didn't go in big on it the first time. Those kind of mistakes are my biggest. So I'm sure they're yours also. Sound familiar? I have one mouse pad that I'll give to whoever joins today. It says no pre-market and hit your goal for the day, shut it off. No sticky note. I had to make a mouse pad for that. What do you think of that? All right, let's end this sucker. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 29 people down there and a bunch of people up there, and no one answers. Okay. Yeah. Down 241. Unreal. Could have made so much more on the UV. That's funny. Could have made so much more. That's funny, Mike. Funny. It's a funny one, right? I could have made so much more. Let me shut this window. The sun's coming in bad. So, guys, the key is journaling. See that journal? I got a video right here. on journaling? So let me tell you this video, the nuts and the bolts of it. This video shows my Apple trade. I bought Apple when it went through $99 a share. I sold it at $99.19. And within a couple of minutes, it went to $99.69. I'm like, damn, man, I could have made another 50 cents. The signal at the ask at 99 was monstrous. So I wrote it in my journal. The next day, Apple went through 100. Where do you think I sold it? It went through 100. Now, I sold it at 99.19 and made a mistake. So I journaled it and said it went to 99.69. The next day it went through 100. Where did I sell it? No, that would be the same mistake again. That would be a worse mistake. Why, Adam, if the first one, if the first one I sold at 99.19, I wrote it and said it went 99.69 and I missed 50 cents, why the next day would I sell it at 100 when it went through 100? Why would I sell it at 109? Answer me that question, Adam Graves. This should be very interesting. So where should I sell? That was my question. And you said 109. Turf, that's a good answer. Quota met. What does that mean? Angel Medina, that's a better answer. Jim, you would have gotten 199. That would have had some patience. You did it. Good job. Angel, you got 159, and Turf, you actually got 149. Good journaling. Anybody else? 3 people? Let's kick everyone else out. How about we do that? Me, Angel, Adam, Turf. Everyone else can split. Tyrone, later. Deb, later. B, later. Take it easy. You don't have to come stay at the webinar. Charles Wells, Derek B. Met your daily projection. What does that mean? It has nothing to do. That's not the question. The question is, yesterday, NA, you traded Apple through 99. You sold too early. It ran 50 cents in your face. The next day, it went through 100. Where are you going to sell it so it doesn't spit in your face? You're going to sell it at the same mark so it spits on you? You're going to sell it higher and try to get a little bit more? I mean, give me a freaking break, dude. NA, get the freak out of here. You're banned. I'd never want you on my team. You don't even know what the hell 1 + 1 means. Here to learn? Good. You've already learned so much, you should be like drooling. You should be drooling. Are you drooling yet, Charles? Are you drooling yet? Good. I'll continue. Learning from your mistake, but can't be sure you'll repeat it, so play conservative, about 45 more. Nice. And it wasn't a mistake. Never selling too early is a mistake. Not journaling it and doing it again is a mistake, Turf. Your answer is incorrect. But good job. The 3 pillars of MOJO trading are scaling into trades, buying power, utilizing it correctly, and patience. Trading pre-market and ruining your day's cycle are the 3 more reasons that you amateur traders, if you haven't taken MOJO University and you have no pro in front of your name, you trade pre-market and ruin the day's cycle. You go off the reservation missing the best trades. You don't quit once you hit your daily goals. Trading pre-market's a recipe for disaster. Unless the stock has huge volume like Facebook did this morning with smaller size, try 1 or 2 trades max. You're in the room to follow my trades, not your trades. When you learn the understanding behind the MOJO trade play and belief in the system, you're practicing scans, practicing speed, practicing the profit taking. Your trading will become clearer and easier for you. You'll gain an understanding by journaling and recording every trade, resulting in better profits. Listen, if I had someone to stop me after hitting my goal, I would have been $1 million richer and 10 accounts richer today if I had a guy like me stopping you in my room. Does everyone follow? Four people, 5 people, 6 people. They're not rules, Anders. They're not rules. They're like let me give you what it more is like, Andres. What do you like better, breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Andres. What do you like better, breakfast, lunch, or dinner? What's your more favorite meal? Okay, good. I like that answer the best. Okay, you specialize in breakfast. You serve the most badass breakfast in town. You actually have to get there at 5 o'clock in the morning because breakfast starts at 7 a.m. You rock the damn house till approximately 11 for a late sort of lunch brunch flow, and you're freaking done for the day. You're done. It's not a rule. Try to stay open at lunch. Keep your lights on at dinner. Trade the market in the afternoon. Go ahead. Make your goal. Stick around. The money that you made in the morning, gone. Gone. You got robbed. You shouldn't have been open. Should have closed. You serve breakfast. You specialize. There's no lunch. There's no afternoon dinner. You're done. Door shut, sign closed, lights off, chairs on the table, shut it, go to the beach, come back the next morning at 5 a.m., repeat. If you don't, you're out of business. If you don't, no mojo. I don't want you. Trade with me, then go somewhere else and lose your money. Like I told my friend, the biggest thing you need is a plan in the afternoon if you're going to come here. Love me do, I think it was from there. It didn't take him everything's all right. Don't you know? Johnny told his mama, hey, mama, I'm going away. I'm gonna hit the big time, gonna be a big star someday. Okay, listen. I don't got to teach you what a chart is. I tell you to buy the stock, you buy it. I tell you to sell it, you sell it. Done. I'll show you a little bit about the level 2, and then we'll end this paparama. Okay? So again, I gave you a game plan. Take your calculator, make $500 a day times 1,000 days. You got yourself a $500,000 account, boy, with $2 million in buying power. Think you can make a nice living with that? I'd say you could. That's the game plan. Got a bunch of pro traders in line doing it. Alan's making $5,000 a day. He's gonna have $5 million and $20 million in buying power in 1,000 days. The depth of the level 2 with the indicators, the size of the shares being asked on the bid and the asked, allows me to make better entry and exit decisions, which are essential for a good day trader. MOJO Day Trading uses day trading DOS Trader, which I showed you, advanced better than any online brokerage, E-Trade, Ameritrade, anything. Having access to that level 2 is the most important feature. Okay? They say trading off the level school is old school, folks. Many traders say that. They say, what, are you kidding me? The level 2's for losers. Well, if a loser is in a category for winning on 95% of your trades, then I'm really good with that label. See, the level 2 gives me an in-depth view of the demand and supply of the stock before it makes correlating bars on the charts. I'm able to see by the size of the institutional orders and the depth in the system, the direction the stock is heading. Let's use this example on iBio on October 20th of 2014. It's 3:24 in the afternoon, and there's 30 minutes before the close. You see the high was 297 on the stock. It's right here. The low is 195. It's come from 260 and it stops. It's 230 by 233. And you're like, dude, I want to buy this baby. Why? Because look, with all this supply comes in on the bid. And you're like, I'm going to make a great trade. I'm going to buy 10,000 shares right here at 233, 10,000. So if it goes to 243, I'll make $1,000. And if it goes anywhere down, because I'm buying it like 33, 30, I'm going to nail this guy right here because there's so much shares to support my block. I can't lose. I can't lose if I do that. Does everyone see that? You agree with that? You agree with that? You like that? You agree with that? Yeah. Beauty, right? Beauty. James, you'd even buy more. Beauty. Oh my gosh, beauty. All of a sudden, it blinks and you're like, damn, it closed at 197. You're like, what the hell happened? You hesitated for 1 second. The 230 was gone. Gone. And it closed at 197. So you lost 30 cents and $3,000. James, ugly. Andres, you lost. You lost. You lost. You lost. You lost. You want to know why? Because you didn't see that the bid was big and it's bearish and it's going lower. If you would have seen this number that I teach you, you would not have bought in that and you would not have lost. Okay? I'm going to show you what Heinz is. Follow now. Guys, it took me 3 years. 3 years. 3 years to realize a big bid was bearish. Yeah, not so good, huh, James? That's why I win, because all you guys lose. You make the same mistakes over and over again. Let me show you. So I've developed a pretty cool play based on positive expectancy. Positive expectancy. Sharon, it's a multiple choice. You know what it is, or you don't know what it is.
Mama came to the door with a teardrop in her eye. Johnny said, "Don't cry, Mama." Smiled and waved goodbye. Don't you know?
Don't you know? Come on now. Who else? And I'm going to kick some people out of here now. Ulf, he's back. Ulf, what's up, dude? Ulf, long time no see, buddy. All right, let's get rid of Sam. Let's get rid of Markley Dennis. Because you're Chevy boy anyway. Let's get rid of Timu. Let's see how many times you've been here. Undefined times. Timu's probably got the mobile. He can't do it. Stefan's fine. Trader Oaks. You've been here 45 times. Oh, I got it. Oh, yeah, you're good in my room. You're a real trader. Okay. Derek B. Check for him. 2 days. See you. Check. He banned. Guys, if you've been here 2 or 3 times and you haven't joined already, I don't need you back in my rooms, guys. All right, we're good. So, yeah, so look, positive expectancy. Check it out. Adam, if I could hold this poker chip over my hand and in my fingers, and if I say, dude, I'll make you a bet. If I open my fingers and drop it like that, it falls in my hand. See, like this. Okay? Like that. Adam, how much do you want to bet if I drop the chip and open my hand, it's going to drop in my hand? How much you want to bet? Adam, how much would you bet? As much as you want, dude. You can bet up to $1,000. How much would you bet? If I open my fingers, does it drop to my hand? How much would you bet? If I open my fingers, you're not betting nothing? Why not? Iona, it's going to, okay, exactly. So if it falls, you win. If it doesn't fall when I open my fingers, you lose. So if it falls to my hand, you win. If I open my finger and it floats in the air like magic, you lose. Again, how much do you want to bet if I open my fingers, it's going to drop to my hand? How much do you want to bet? How much? How much you betting, Adam? Fold. I'll see you later, dude. Adam's banned from the room. Adam, when you're watching this video later, email me why if you ever want to come back in. So who else wants to bet? James, you want to bet? Marco, Ken? I open my finger, 500. I'll take that bet. Who wants to else bet? Who else? 1,000, Stefan? How about all in? Watch. Ready? I won. Watch. I won again. Watch. I won again. Should I do it again? Watch. I won again. Bet another 1,000. I won again. Want to see again? I won again. Who wants to bet it's not going to drop? You lost. You lost. That's a system based on positive expectancy. How much you want to bet, James? You wake up tomorrow. I'll bet $1,000. Every day for the rest of your life, I'll lose one day, the day you die. That's a good freaking bet, dude. What's the Heinz move? When a stock like UVXY goes through $17, it's going to fly. Okay? You see this stock? At 791 by 92, the stock's up $1.13. It just got destroyed from 877, and there's all that size on the ask. Would you buy that? Would you like that? Would you buy that? Would you buy that? You want to look at it again? Look, it's right there. Would you buy that? $135,000 shares on the ask. It's 135,000 shares on the ask. Would you buy it? Yeah. What if I told you there's a 92% chance you'll win? You buy it then? Fine. There's a 92% chance you're going to win. You ready? Filled 792. Would you buy it now? 793 by 6. Would you buy it now? 793 by 96. What if I told you there's a 96% chance it's going to go through? You'd buy it, right? 96%. See it? Now there's a 97% chance it's going to go through. Now it's a 100% chance it's going to go through. And it just went through, and you just made money. That's called the Heinz trade play. We did it on UVXY twice. Got it? It's based on positive expectancy. I just showed you how to make the best eggs in town. Who wants to come make breakfast with me? I just showed you how to make the best eggs in town, man. You want to come make some breakfast with me? Let's do it, man. You stick with me, I give you some good eggs and ketchup every morning, boys. Okay? See the signal at 8:05? See it? 8:05. Hold, 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 hold. Done. 8:07. Filled. Made you more money. Signal 8:07. Hold, hold, hold. Boom, boom. 8:08. Signal huge. Stock's going to rip. Oh, yeah. Room loves it. Yeah, Mike. Boom, boom. That's how it rock and rolls, boys. You like excitement like that? Then I ring the register. Then I go.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
Here's the same thing. 450. See the signal at 48? Done. It's called mini Heinz. Boom, 453. Boom, baby. Boom. There's the signal. Boom. It's called Mini Hines. Look, guys, day trade room right here. I'll give you right now, as I told you, 30 days. It's $49. I'm going to give you my level 2 video. It's a 30-minute training video on learning level 2 with all the signals, what they all mean. The value of this is worth at least $50 of what you're paying. So you're basically getting the first month for free. Okay? Right here. Go to MOJO Day Trading, click the link under Get Started, and let's get you guys rocking and rolling. And that's the webinar for today. I really hope you guys liked it. You've got the formula now for the next 300 days and 245 days with me. And let's grow a serious account and make some big dollars, because those are going to be some good eggs, baby. There you go. Thank you very much for attending the MOJO webinar. I hope to see you in the room and get an email from you. My name is Pro Trader Mike, info@mojodaytrading.com. Peace. Anybody got any questions? I'd love to answer any questions anybody has. Just like Mojo U, I rarely get any. But if you have any, I'd love to answer them, because I'm done with my presentation. You do some chip tricks. Take my chip trick right here, my chips. Take the middle one, put it down, spin it around, put it back in. Just like that. That's it, guys. I see you tomorrow. You know where the action is. You know where the action is. In the MOJO room. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Shakalaka.